Okay, so here's your Whirlpool Duet front load washer, and what had happened is either during shipping or during a large load, these shock absorbers had come loose, and as well the upper spring, the upper mount spring had come loose. So basically I'll just lay the machine on its side and put the upper spring back on, the upper mount spring, this spring here. The tub was noticeably sunken down and there was kind of a crease in the boot, and and when it spun then it would make noise. And so on these shock absorbers, you can't put them back on just by tilting the machine. So on these shock absorbers, there's these little tangs right here on each side of the shock. You have to push in. The one on the back is very difficult to deal with, but basically you have to push the two tangs in, and then you can twist the shock off, and then you can remount it on the bottom post. And so that's your Whirlpool tip for today. And thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.